Hello dear students, today we are going to learn question tags. What is a question tag? A question tag is a small question at the end of a statement which is asking for agreement or confirmation. It is a small question. It is a mini question which is having only two words which will be added at the end of a statement and asking for agreement or confirmation. There are two main points to write question tag. First point is a positive statement will be having a negative question tag. Example, you are a student. This is a positive statement and which will be having a negative question tag. Aren't you? This is negative form. Aren't you? Are plus not aren't you? This is a negative question tag. A positive statement will be having a negative question tag. You are a student, aren't you? How we have to make this question tag? When we are getting one sentence, just we should see what is the auxiliary form of that sentence. Here the auxiliary form is are. And along with this auxiliary form, we have to make this question tag. Okay, with the help of auxiliary form, we are making question tag. And this is positive form, we should change it to negative form. Are plus not, aren't. And the same subject we can follow here. You, aren't you. It is very easy to make this question tag. Okay, just we should see the auxiliary form. The second form is a negative statement will be having a positive question tag. Okay, negative statement. For example, Mary isn't a teacher. Mary isn't a teacher, it is a negative statement. And it will be having a positive question tag. Is she? How to make? Find out the auxiliary form. And if the sentence is a negative form, negative statement, remove that not from that auxiliary and the positive we can write. If you are removing not from here, isn't, what we will get? Is we will get. That is we can write here. And the subject Mary. Okay. If the subject is a name of a person or a thing, instead of that name we can write its pronoun. If it is a boy, he we can write. A girl, she we can write. If it is a thing, we can write it. Okay. So, how to make a positive question tag? Remove not from that auxiliary and positive form we should write and the subject we have to write. Okay. In this way we can make the question tag. And the next topic is how we should make the positive question tags. If the negative statement, we will get positive tags. Example, you aren't a teacher. Are you? What is the auxiliary form? Aren't. And what to do we should here to make a positive tag? We have to remove not from here and write the positive form. Are plus not, aren't. If you are removing not, we will get are. Are you? He isn't crazy. Is not, isn't. Remove not, we will get a positive form. Is. Is he. They weren't late. Remove not, we will get positive form were. Were, subject they, were they. Okay. So, if it is a negative statement, make a positive tag. How to make a positive tag? Remove the negation word not from here and write that auxiliary form. Then follow the subject here. And we are going to the sixth example. You won't fail the exam. Here what is the auxiliary form? Won't. Okay. So how we can make the negative form? I told you we should remove the negation. Okay. Negative form not. But we will get only WO. No auxiliary form wo in English. But what is the positive form of want? Will. Will plus not is want. Okay. Will plus not is the short form is want. So want positive form is will. So will you. In the same way, shall plus not negative form is shan't. Okay, so don't forget Will plus not want. Shall plus not shan't. We mustn't say anything. Must we? You wouldn't stop me, would you? Clear? Next topic is negative question tags. How to make a negative question tags. Beginning I have told you. A positive statement will be having negative tags. Okay. Example. You are a student. Aren't you? You are a student. Aren't you? What is the auxiliary here? Are. Are positive form. We have to make a negative. How to make? We can add not with this auxiliary form. Are plus not. Aren't you? He is very busy. Isn't he? Auxiliary form is. We should add not with this to make a negative tag. Isn't he? Third example. You speak English. Can you say what is the auxiliary form of this sentence? Here no auxiliary form. If in one sentence no auxiliary form is there, we should take the verb of that sentence. Here verb is speak. Okay. And if no auxiliary form is there, we can get the help of three helping verbs. They are do, does, did. If the verb of that sentence is in the V1 form or in the root form, for example, write. If it is giving like that, we have to take which auxiliary? Do. If the verb is in the V1 form plus S or ES, example, writes. With the verb S or ES is there, example, writes. Okay, write plus S is writes. So, with the verb S or ES is there, we have to take the auxiliary form does. If the verb is in the past form, example, what is the past form of write? Wrote. Okay, then we should take did. Okay, here what is the verb? Speak. Speak in V1 form. That means we can take do. Do. This is a positive statement. Do plus not. We should make the negative tag. Do plus not. Don't you. You will pass. Won't you. You could do it. Couldn't you. Okay. In this way, we can make this negative question tags. The next point is statements using barely, hardly, neither, no, nobody, none, nothing and seldom are treated as negative statements. That means these words neither, no, nobody, none, nothing, these are negation words. Okay, it is showing negative forms. Okay, so if that words are there, we can treat that sentence as negative statement. And what I have told you, negative statements will be having positive question tags. Example, nobody went to the meeting. Nobody. This is not a positive statement. This is a negative statement. Nobody is there. Negation word is there. Okay. Nobody went to the meeting. But one more point here, no auxiliary form. No auxiliary form is there. What to take? We should consider the verb form. This verb form in the past form. Okay, for no auxiliary form, do, did, does we should take. Here, went is past form. Past form means what we should take? Did. Okay, so instead of went we had taken here did. And this is negative form. So positive question tag should be there. Did, they. Clear, students? This is a negative form. First point, we have to check whether it is negative or positive. Negative statement, positive question tag. Okay, that is the first point. Second point, consider auxiliary. If auxiliary is not there, we should take the helping verb do, did, does. There also we should check whether it is V1 form, V2 form and singular form. and here went past form. So we should take it did they. Nothing is ready. Second example, nothing is ready. Here this is the word negative form is there. So this is a negative statement and positive question tag should be there. And auxiliary form is it. One more point, statements contain barely, hardly, seldom are considered as semi-negative statements. Okay, if negative forms are there, easily we can tell it is a negative statement. But if the words barely, hardly, seldom, we cannot identify whether it is a positive or negative statement. Okay, so barely, hardly, seldom, if these words are there, we have to consider that sentence as a semi-negative statement. Semi-negative statement also positive question tag will be there. Okay, students. Some exceptions are in to write this question tag. Okay, so I told you positive statement will be having negative question tag. Negative statement will be having positive question tag. In that way it will be going, but some exceptions are there in some sentences. For example, I am attractive. This sentence, what is the auxiliary form? Am. And what I have told you, if auxiliary form is there, we have to make a negative question. We should add or remove that not from. Okay, here this is a positive statement. So we will add not with the auxiliary form. Am plus not, it is not amn't. Amn't it is not. Okay, this is wrong only. So am plus not, what is the correct answer? Aren't. Okay, so if this in sentence auxiliary form is am, if it is a positive, we should write this question tag aren't I. Okay, this is one exception. Another exceptions, positive imperative. Positive imperative means, what is imperative sentences? Last class we studied all the types of sentences. What is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence means order, advice. Okay, positive imperative, we will get this question tag will or won't you. So stop daydreaming. Okay, this is one imperative sentence and we can write will or won't you. Will you or won't you. Both we can write, no problem. Both are correct. Negative imperative, don't stop singing. Will you? Okay, so negative imperative will be positive only, will you. But positive imperative both we can write, will or won't. Okay, in which cases? Imperative sentences. Imperative sentence means order, suggestions, advice. Okay. Another exceptional case, okay. If the sentence is starting with the word letters, always question tag will be shall be. Okay, no changes will be there. Let's go to the beach, shall we. Let's go to the beach, shall we. Okay, so this sentence start with the let's. So this question tag will be shall be. Exceptional case, used to. Okay, used to. In the sentence, the word used to is there. It will always take did in the tag. Example, Leela used to play. Didn't she? Okay, did will take. And this already I have told you, positive imperative, negative imperative. If it is not clear, once again you should see all these things. Request. Request, if the sentence is a request, will you, it will be taken. Suggestions or invitations, want you or will you, it will be taken. Okay, example, please help him. Will you, we can write. This is a request. Okay, so will you, we can write. Try to work hard. Try to work hard, it is a suggestion. So, will you or won't you, we can write. Both will be correct. Here question tag exercise will be there. Some works we can do. James plays the piano. What is the auxiliary form? No auxiliary form here. In that case, what we should do? Verb we should take and do, did, does. Okay. Do for V1 form, did for past form, does for S or ES with the verb. Plays. Can you say which one? Yes, correct. What is does? So, doesn't he? Doesn't James? No need to write. Doesn't he? After that we have to write the question mark. Okay. You didn't lock the door. Okay. You didn't lock the door. Here auxiliary form what is? Didn't. Okay. Did you? So this is negative form. We have to remove this not from here and write did. Okay, did you? It is a nice day. What is the auxiliary form? Is. Is the auxiliary form. This is a positive statement. So to make a negative, what to do? We should add not with this auxiliary form. Isn't it? Okay. You haven't seen Lisa today. What is the auxiliary form? Haven't. This is a negative form. We should remove it and write the positive form. Have. What is the subject? You question mark. Clear? You couldn't do me a favor. Couldn't. What is the auxiliary form? Could. And negative form is there. Remove it and write this auxiliary for positive form. Could you? Let's go for a walk. I told you the sentence is starting with the let's. What will be the question tag? It will be always, shall we. Okay. Other examples are same only. This one we can go. They went to the cinema. No auxiliary form here. And in that case, what to do? Get the help of do, does, did. Do for V1. Does for S or ES. Did for past form. Went. Whether it is V1 or S or ES or past form. It is past form. So take it did and negative form didn't they. Here one more studied. Studied past form. So did only we will take. Didn't. Subject is she. Didn't she. Okay. The last example we will go. She studies. Studies S or ES with the verb. So what we should do? Does. Doesn't she? And question mark. Okay, why I did not do? These all are easy only. So like this you have to practice. The first point is check whether the statement is positive or negative. Positive statement, negative. Negative statement, positive question tag. Okay. And the second point, we should find out what is the auxiliary form of that sentence. You can add not or remove not. Okay. Third point, what to do? In that sentence, no auxiliary form is there. Take the help of do, does, did and check whether it is positive or this V1, V2 or S or ES is there. According to that, we can make. Okay. And some exceptional cases also I have told you. That also you have to learn well. Okay, students. Thank you.